aspect and apply it to anything, can't you? Serpent, dry, cold nature. Now think about this in terms of an individual, right? If an individual has serpentine type of quality about them, they can have this sort of steely affect, can't they? Yeah. Dry and cold, right? You see? Are you catching it? Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, sort of that, emotionally dry, cold demeanor type of thing. Someone with a bull nature introduces the aspect of emotional fluidity, but still has a cold aspect to it. Think of Taurus, astrological sign. Right. Now, what do you mean by cold in this aspect? Is Taurus tends to be steady, as opposed to all over the place and rowdy and rambunctious and that type of stuff. They have this kind of steadiness about them. But unlike the serpent, they have a more fluid expression, don't they, of their emotional state. They might have this steadiness about them, but more of a fluid expression. Lion, hot, but still that fluid expression. Think of Leo, astrological sign Leo. Dry and hot, the eagle. Okay, what astrological sign would you put there anyway? Something to ponder, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So now let's go into some symbolical aspects of it. I'm just trying to get you on the frequency of the law of four, because if you get on the frequency of it, then you'll begin to, well, first of all, notice it everywhere. You begin to have examples and references outside of bull, bird, lion, and serpent, and outside of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, and outside of the four seasons and whatnot, because you have this tuning fork as resonance with it. Serpent and bull, symbolically. Serpent being the rod aspect of something, and the bull being the cup aspect. We talked about this last time, where the symbology of the bull looks just like the womb, doesn't it? If you draw a bull's head with the horns, got the whole kind of shape of the womb going on there. And the serpent, not only of the sperm, but also having a linear type of motion to it, like the penis. So you've got this the reproductive aspect of things, and so you can almost think of the bull and the serpent as the two strands of DNA that coil together. Provides your physical, or the physical attributes. And now what about the eagle and the lion? Can they join? This is the big mystery. First of all, what do the eagle and lion indicate? But I'm talking about from the human complex standpoint. You've got the aspects of the physical body. Mm-hmm. One other way to put that actually would be your centers on one side and your physical body on the other, both being pentagrammic in nature. Talking about the serpent and the bull. And within that, some are serpent-like and some are bull-like. So anyway, we can get into octaves at another point in time. Today, we're mostly on about 2, 4, 6, 8 things. We already talked about 2, whether you realize it or not. But the soul and the spirit, having to do with the eagle and the lion.